In my last video, I showed you how to deploy a React app to AWS Amplify with full CI/CD, custom domains, and production grade hosting. But sometimes you don't need all that. GitHub Pages is a free static hosting service built directly into GitHub. To start, install GitHub Pages at the root of your repo. Even if your app lives inside a workspace or a monorepo, install it at the root. Now, if you are using Vite, you need to tell it where your app will be hosted. GitHub Pages hosts your app under the repo name, so in your Vite config, add a base property that matches your repo name. If you're using React Router with Browser Router, you need to add a base name that matches your repo name. Without this, routing will break when you refresh the page. Now you can add your deploy scripts. If your app lives in a workspace, your scripts might look like this. This builds your app and then publishes the final dist folder to GitHub Pages. Essentially, the build command is how you build the project. The deploy command will execute the build command and then deploy it to GitHub Pages. To deploy your app, you can now run npm run deploy. This creates a GitHub Pages branch and uploads your built app. Next, go to your GitHub repo and click Settings, then Pages. It may take a minute to generate your site, so if you do not see the URL straight away, wait a few seconds and refresh. Once it appears, click Visit Site. Your app is now live on the internet. And that's it. You've deployed a React app to GitHub Pages for free. For more videos like this, hit subscribe.